thought I should show you a bit of my kitchen. Yeah, I love gray. So my kitchen is off-white and gray. Yeah. And yeah. And the floor as well. I love this flooring. It's really nice. The flooring is almost the same as the worktop. I opted for wood instead of marble for my worktop and the island as well. So it's very nice. My island is huge, but probably the video doesn't do it any justice, but it's very big. And yeah, just a snippet of my kitchen. I feel like I want to put a bit of color, like a bright color in my kitchen, but I'm not sure what I should do. I do cook. It looks like I don't cook, but I do cook. It's just that I don't like messy things, so I tend to cook and rush and clean up everything and put it back where it's supposed to be. But I do cook. Yeah. So this is it. I love these mats. What these mats do, they absorb water very, very quickly. So once you drop a bit of water, if you're washing up or if you're cooking, it absorbs the water on the surface, but also the water doesn't go on the floor, which is what I was trying to protect, because this flooring was very expensive, so I don't want to ruin it. Yeah, but these mats are really, really, really good. They come in different sizes as well and in different colors. So yeah, I should have opted for marble, but no, because my dining is marble, so I thought I should have something different for the worktop. Yeah, so this is it. Nothing too fancy, just a simple kitchen.